I just got this portable camping stove for hiking and backpacking and camping and stuff. It comes with 3 pieces, like your pot, your pan, and then you have a cup. It comes with some silverware in here, your instructions, and this is what your stove actually sits in. This here is the piece that goes on the bottom side of your fuel. So you put your fuel down, then you will tighten this up. I love camping sets like this that are just so easy to use. They just twist right on. You open it up, you pull that part down, and all you do is turn it on. This has an auto pump on it. So all you do I did that. Auto. And you shut it off just like that. This thing is so cool. So I'm gonna link it down below. If you're looking for a camping stove that is portable, this is the one I would recommend all day, every day, because it is so lightweight. I'm linking it in the